Oh, hi everyone. Today we're gonna continue on our NuGet improvements in Mason. Let's just change my title on the stream. Okay. For some reason I cannot type NuGet in my title. Conflicts with Twitch moderation policy. Okay. Mm. So let's start. And for browsing the web, we wanna use Zen as every modern streamer should use because it's hype today. So fish, yeah, it's also something that I want to look into in the future. Okay, let's see. Where did we left off? Did I pushed it? Yeah, I think so. So I didn't sign in here yet. Two commits ahead. So the thing that I implemented the last time was to be able to pull plain NuGet packages, which means we just pull the new new package like this, and there are actually zip files, so that's yeah, they are easy to extract. So unzip them, and the problem that I have now is we should find a way to not break the old clients. So because I just replaced the implementation, which would break the clients that are used before. So the clients before used this .NET tool update, like the .NET CLI to pull the tool NuGet packages, but this were specific NuGet packages which are formatted in a special way. So you cannot do it with just any NuGet package. It has to be a tool NuGet package. That's the limitation of that method, and that's why I tried to implement it in another way. And if we could find out on the fly if a specific package is a tool package, like is a NuGet package that is formatted for a tool, then we could decide which implementation to use. This would be great, and maybe it could be then accepted upstream, because I don't think that this will get accepted in the current state, because it will break the old clients. So that's actually the goal for today. And for that, yeah, let's see if we can find out if a specific package is a tool package. For that we will need to look into this NuGet API. Package metadata. So what I hope, or where I hope to find the answer for that is in the new spec file, which should basically has some properties in there that indicate if this NuGet package is a tool or not, is packaged for a tool or not. And somewhere it's possible to NuGet API to download new spec. That's not it. Yeah, that's the one that I searched for. Sample response, the binary stream, this new package. So we could get the new spec like this. Package content. It is possible to generate a URL to fetch an arbitrary package content, the new package file, using v3 API. The resource used for fetching package content is the package base address resource found in the service index. And that's what we already are using. So this resource also enable discovery for all versions of a package listed or unlisted. This resource is commonly referred to as either the package base address or the flat container. The base URL for the following APIs in the value of the ID property associates with the aforementioned resource type value. Okay. In the following document, the placeholder base URL ID will be used. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So like this, and we could just, so this is the index file. Then we get the resource. How was this called? The package base address. Do we have a package base address? Well, let's call this here local package base address. And then we would use this one so that we know this is the package base address. And we construct here a new URL. Let's say new spec URL, and then string format. Basically, this is the ID slash, and then we would have another lower ID. So basically we could use this one. This is next one. Oh no, I don't know which stands for what. Oh, no, let's remove this again. We were on the lower ID, then the lower version, and the lower ID again, and new spec. So then we would have this package base address here. Let's wrap it so, and then we will have the lower ID, which mean package lower as above. Then the version and the package to lower again. And then that's it. Yes, that's it. So because we do a lot of package lower, maybe I should create it somewhere here at the top level. Package lowercase. Like this. We could replace this with this one. No. And then we could just print the new spec content, but now we need to first we need to get the content. So basically the new spec save file, and for that we would use the new spec URL, and then we would print it. We'll inspect let's see. Oops. Oh, okay. I didn't have to close that one. let's open up a new Alacrity instance. Let's try PSP and Vim. No, we'll try it on .NET BSP here. Failed to find all versions of .NET Core MS Build. More details and error. Failed all versions of .NET Core MS Build. Okay, let's just see what we have here. .NET. Was it the other way around? List SDKs. No SDKs were found. Could that be? Okay, I think I have to leave this directory. .NET list SDKs. No. Runtime installed. Let's see. If I really didn't have .NET SDK installed, it's already installed. So somehow I screwed up my environment. But I think it was because of an update or something. Too much. Let's see. So actually I have this version of .NET 8. Source SDK. $401. Let's go again to the directory. Okay, yeah, I know. And then open up the global JSON file. The latest feature. So somehow it didn't work. So maybe we just uninstall it. That's something that I didn't expect it to happen, so nf uninstall .NET SDK. Let's say we uninstall 8 and also .NET 6 SDK. 60 and also the .NET SDK 7.0. Basically all of them. Was it remove? Yeah. Seems like it. I need to do it one by one. Hmm. Strange that it says only .NET 8 SDK were removed. No match. Okay, whatever. Let's remove the Microsoft repository first. And let's use the Fedora internal one for now. Not sure why this is happening. Maybe it will resolve it. Auto clear cache. Clean DB cache. Clean metadata. Clean packages. Clean all. Okay. Clean all. And then now install .NET SDK 0. So let's see .NET SDKs. And then global JSON. That works for now. Somehow the version of from the Microsoft repositories was an issue. I have to work around this or deep dive in it, maybe in another time. So let's actually try to download the Roslyn server. Expected value, but found invalid token at unit 45. 45, it's here. Invalid token. Insert new spec URL. Okay, this T7 still. Character 1. So next step would be to print it out. See what we have. What do we have here? Package. We have two slashes. Okay. Actually, this is not needed here. Try again. Roslyn. Expected value, but found invalid token at character 1. Maybe we rename this into fetch NuGet. And point something. Because it currently confused me that I thought maybe something in here that is specific to the index endpoint, but it's not. This should work. Actually, just remove this part. Did we see if it would work without the new changes? Fine. So actually, just want to see what the API returns if I call it directly. So okay, yeah, it's actually an XML file. So are we able to process XML files in here? Don't think so. So this is how it looks for this specific package. Let's see how it would look for a tool package. Let's see, we have here Sharpier or something. Sharpier. And messages with this part here. Oops. Oh, didn't copy it. It seems messages. So okay, here package types. We could find name.NET tool. So this would be possible if we could somehow be able to parse this file. But I think Mason didn't want to add support for XML parsing or something because it will blow it up. Let's see, Mason XML support. something open here. Let's just see how this is application. This is not application JSON then. Maybe something like raw or something. And this would be application XML. And XML. Okay, text signals sometimes. Okay, I think we are fine. We go with application XML. So then but we would not do we have something like this? Vim XM, no, but Vim JSON, yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Because JSON they need for the LSP server and XML is not needed. Anyone? So it's not built in. And Vim XML. Lua plus XML. Thank you, but no thank you. Oh, you guys don't see it. Oh no, it's gone. Okay, never mind. I get from time to time bots that try to sell me viewers. So if you want to help me out, then join the stream so that I don't get annoyed by the bots. XML to Lua. looks like an interesting project, but I don't think we want to introduce this dependency only for this small use case here. So let's see if Neovim plans ever to add something like an XML parser. I could write a regex or something. Yeah, let's try this out. Writing an regex. So catching function that does something with the value. We don't need that one. I could say we get a result. Just a result. Should be a string. Actually, let's see what it really is here. Which type it really is. So it is application XML. Okay, yeah, that's fine then. We'll be on the right track here. And if we get here raw, let's say XML is better because we already, it's not raw, it's XML. We do this and we try to print it out. And then okay, let's first try if it works. So we would say if we find regex, so string gmatch. So if gmatch new spec file, how to write it? So string pattern init. So the pattern would be say here, then we print then it's a tool. So actually, the package name maybe, and then it's a tool. So package lowercase like this. Okay. And then we need to match something. And I would say we try to this. This part would be enough. And have here white spaces. What is used here? The pattern. It does not work. Oh, X. I should launch the browser. Widget history. Command X. MUI command fit. Okay. So I don't have the command installed. Is PG open? Oh, it's fine. Maybe no default browser or something. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's fine. This is because we are in a toolbox. So somehow I need to remap it in the future. So this opens the browser maybe via Flatpak spawn or something. Yeah. But this is something for another day. Okay. But let's move on here. Yeah, that's is likely a harasser. Okay, clear this up. Going here, using this. Let's restart the chat. So somehow when I switch between, is it workspaces? No, it's, I'm not even sure how to call this part here in Cosmic, but when I switch between those workspace, let's call them workspaces, and it does not focus any windows. This is somehow strange. Yeah. Or maybe it has a focus, but does not show the order for focus. Because when I sometimes I think sometimes it does not have focus and sometimes it does have focus but not the border. See in the menu, represents all letters, space characters. That's weird. Pattern class represents all space characters, uppercase letters. It's weird for me because like for the string format you use this for string and here it represents space. But yeah, it is how it is. So, and plus is actually one or more matches, right? No. It's just too much on one side. Oh, sorry, I have a call. Be right back. so I will stop the stream in a couple of minutes, just so you know, because later I wanna program something with my nephew, and I will not stream that. So, but maybe we can resolve this part at least. Till then. So we have this part, and we would say it's like this. Oops, not what I wanted. And you get so let's go back and forth here. Pattern matching. Where X is not one of the magic characters. Okay, but where is the definition of this other? A single character class followed by plus which match sequence of one or more characters in the class. Okay. Yeah, I think this should work already. So now we try this one. Oh, we are already in the oven. So let's close this one. Mason. That's not true. Wait. It's not a tool package. Let's see. Are there any special characters here? Do we have dot? Let's just print also if this is true. Inspect. New spec file. The whole file here. Not and print in the spec URL. Yeah, we don't need this one, so. Mason. Roslyn. package name. Wait. That's completely wrong, but why does it work? Returns an iterator function that each time it is called returns the next captured. Okay, gee. This is not what I want. Let's see what do we have else here. Match. So this should be it. But we want to change this part for that. And maybe use also this here, just to be sure. And here also. But there we don't need the one match, only 0 or more, so it should be star. You have 0 or more characters in the class. Okay, so it should be a star here. Also be a star here, and here 1 or more. This should be it. Let's try it out. This time, let's see, okay. This time we remove this part because it makes too much noise. Northland. So this part works as it seems. So we don't have any messages in there. Let's see the C# here. It's a tool. So this would work. And if I restore the previous implementation and add my to the side just and switch on this particular if here. So when I know it's a tool, then I do the old. We'll use the old function to install NuGet packages, and if it's not a tool, then I would use the current one. Should work. Let's just stage this one. Okay, so now I have to stop the stream. So see you in the next one.